Hello friends, this is Sumit Bagul and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we usually do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends. But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone, rather we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life with Dr. Vijay Daifale. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your sex related questions and Dr. Vijay Daifale will share his answers in very positive way. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Daifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Daifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in Thane. So if you are in Mumbai, if you are in Thane, if you are in Navi Mumbai or if you could visit Thane, then you can definitely go to his Thane center and take his consultation. Let's start the show. Sir, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Sir, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction
Sure.
and we have received tremendous feedback
Yes.
on our Facebook videos that we
Yes.
post, on our YouTube videos,
Yes.
through email, through WhatsApp, and people want to know scientific way, scientific method,
Information about
scientific information definitely
Yeah.
about different types of penises.
Penises, okay.
Yes. So sir, my first question to you is,
Yeah.
what is curved penis?
Yes, excellent. Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are saying different types of penises and which are a normal variation. Normally, there are 20 types of penises and which are taken as a normal. And why we are saying this? Unless and until we will have a information what is normal, what is abnormal, we cannot differentiate or we cannot understand when to go to sexologist, urologist or andrologist. Now, today we will see the curved type of penis. What different subtypes are there? It is a curved in upward direction, curved in downward direction, or so many times curved in a lateral direction called as a C-shaped penis. So, this type of curvature is also taken as a normal, but when? Unless and until it is not causing any problem to your partner, not causing any problem in orgasm, or it is not causing any pain or any type of difficulty in sexual activity. So, this is called as a curved penis.
So sir, in such people who have curved penis,
Yeah.
what kind of care that needs to be taken?
Yes, it is very important, Sumit. What happens in such a curved type of penises when they are penetrating, when they are entering? If suppose the angle is not proper and erect penis has a high pressure, and if suppose rather than entering or thrusting inside, if they thrust on the vulva or lateral part of the thigh, there are chances of fracture of penis. Whenever there is an angulation, at that time when penetration is lateral and hitting towards the wall, the partner get the pain that is called as a dyspareunia. And next you can say like that way, if suppose the G point is on top at 12 o'clock position and if they are going laterally, there is a very less chance they will get orgasm, and in such a cases you are supposed to go to sexologist, urologist, andrologist, and definitely it has a very excellent solution by P-shots or by giving some lubricant, by changing positions, or if required by doing reconstructive surgeries, we can make them in a state and they can enjoy their sexual life.
In short, absolutely no
Definitely.
need to worry.
Yes, definitely
Sir, we
we
have
can
first
give the
caller on the show.
solution.
We
Yeah.
have Sahil from Bandra.
Sure.
Sahil, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Sir,
Hello.
hello,
Yeah, you can tell me.
sir,
Yeah.
curve and bend penis when surgery is required.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Now, what I was telling, see, it is acceptable when till your partner is not having problem, till she is getting orgasm, and still that male part is not having any type of complaint. But if suppose the same penis after erection making difficulty in penetration, making difficulty in orgasm also, because what happens especially in missionary position, if suppose that fellow is trying, her point is at 12 o'clock and always he is hitting the lateral wall. When they visit to consultant, if the mild angulation is there, we advise them to change the position by 90 degree, means female partner can be changed and they can get orgasm. But for how many days you will continue like this? In few people, the same angle is becoming painful, becoming problematic. In such a cases, first we advise them for P-shot therapy, means we inject the platelet-rich plasma, which are activated cells. They can change the angle or they can dissolve that bend. But if suppose with that also it is not resolved, then I have to go for the graft, is a dermal graft or tunica albuginea graft, means you have to straight the penis. It is a reconstructive plastic surgery under magnification without damaging to the nerves and corpora. Take out that patch, balance the penis, apply that graft, and definitely later on they can enjoy a normal, healthy, active sexual life.
Definitely. Sir, moving on to the next type,
Yeah.
What is a small type of penis?
Yes. In this pattern, small is a comparison. Any type of standard deviation which is lesser than normal, means normal after erection it is up to 5 inches, and if suppose it lesser than that, means up to 3 inches, or after erect position if the penis is 2.5 inches and even girth is also less than 1.5 inches, that type of penises are called as a small penises. But still for such a penises also a very nice treatment is available, and definitely you can ask some additional questions also.
Definitely, sir. There is a technique called CAT.
Yeah.
So, what is that CAT technique and how it helps?
Yes. Now those who are with a small penis, they are not supposed to worry. They should not feel depressed that I am having small penis and what will happen to my partner and like this. There are techniques. What is CAT? It's a coital alignment technique. What is meant by coital alignment technique? Because just by doing vaginal sex, the partner will be happy. Don't consider like that. They are having their clitoris, they have a labia minora, they have a labia majora, they have a G point which is situated at a distal part of vagina. By adjustment of your pubic symphysis, the female mons pubis, where there is a clitoris, in that area, with the help of root of their penis, means where the pubis is attached, there is an alignment. You have to align in such a way where penis and that pubis, they will rub on each other, and by rubbing by that manner also, you can satisfy your partner, you can give a very nice orgasm, and that is called as a coital alignment technique.
Definitely, sir. We have one more caller
Sure.
on the show. We have
Yeah.
Rekha from Bhopal. Rekha, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello, Rekha. Yeah.
How to prevent pain during sex if it's due to small size vagina?
Excellent. See, she has asked a very, very excellent question. In fact, I'll tell you, I'm going to come on a separate topic. Dyspareunia means painful coitus and small vagina. Yes, it is also there. Atrophic vagina, small vagina, where there is a septate vagina. In such a cases, what happens? During penetration, there is a loss of lubrication and there is a force. If there is a forceful penetration, the partner will get pain. They will become reluctant, or later on they will not allow to do the sex. In such a cases, if suppose it's a mild one, in such a cases by applying lubricant, definitely they perform the activity. There are some local anesthetic agents which are not that much anesthetic to loss of sensation. They are mild one like AGM lubricants. They are also very helpful, or sometimes these HP gels, they are also helpful. If suppose in severe cases the vagina is totally small, then vaginal reconstruction either by dermal graft or by using any other graft, you can make a vaginal reconstruction, and definitely you can prevent such a type of painful sexual activity.
Definitely, sir. My next question to you
Yeah.
is, what are big type of penises?
Yes, means opposite to this small, means
Yes.
standard deviation is more than that 5 inches, means it is a 7 inches, which is a larger one, length is more, girth is more. You can say these men are very happy men and they will feel very robust and proud for themselves because I am having such a big penis. But in such a penises also, your partner should be happy, and for their enjoyment, for their pleasure, what care should be taken, you can ask me.
Definitely, sir. What kind of care that needs to be taken? Those
Yes.
who have a big penis.
Such type of big
Yes.
penises. so many times on day of their honeymoon or first time they say is, but they become frightened. See what is this one, so much big one, and suppose this will go inside, I will get hurted and I will get injury and get bleeding. So first explain her. So the thing will happen. We'll definitely take care. We'll use lubricant, and we'll proper missionary position. What happens in missionary? They can keep their legs wide so that vaginal laxity will be there. Under proper vision with lubricant, some local anesthetic agent that can definitely do the sexual act. You have to take the partner in a confidence and without any type of damage, without any type of injury, or without any type of any mood changes of their partner. That is also very important. You can perform your activity very nicely and with any type of shape of penises. Don't go under depression. Don't be upset. Visit sexologist, urologist and andrologist. Definitely will give a required penis to you so that you can enjoy your sexual life very happily.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing all this valuable information. But due to
Yeah.
time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode. But definitely, we'll meet in one more episode with brand new information, which is equally valuable.
Sure.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So, friends, if you want to take Dr. Vijay Dahifale's consultation, then there are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in Thane. So, if you're in Thane, if you're in Mumbai, if you're in Navi Mumbai, you can definitely visit to his Thane center and take very positive consultation. So, friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.